Today, we'd like to introduce a manual chain tilting melting furnace. It uses a high-quality silicon carbide crucible, which is thermally shock resistant, corrosion resistant, and has rapid heat conduction, making it suitable for melting various materials such as silver, copper, aluminum, and alloys. It employs Siemens touchscreen and PLC control, featuring an intuitive interface and simple operation. Operating parameters such as temperature, power, and holding time can be independently set for different metals. The manual chain tilting structure ensures a smooth and controllable tilting process, effectively preventing molten metal splashing and improving operational safety and pouring accuracy.